who discovered the laws of thermodynamics. In recent discussions, the question on many people's minds is, who discovered the laws of thermodynamics? This topic has gained attention as we see its applications in everything from engines to refrigerators. Understanding these laws can help us grasp how energy works in our daily lives. The laws of thermodynamics were not discovered by one individual but developed over time by various scientists. The first law, known as the conservation of energy, states that energy cannot be created or destroyed. Instead, it can only change forms. This principle was largely formulated by James Prescott Joule in the 1840s. Joule's experiments showed the relationship between mechanical work and heat. Rudolf Clausius and William Thomson, also known as Lord Kelvin, contributed to formalizing the concept of energy conservation within thermodynamic systems. Their work in the mid-19th century laid the groundwork for this fundamental law. The second law of thermodynamics introduces the idea of entropy, which is a measure of disorder in a system. This law states that in any natural process, the total entropy of a system and its surroundings tends to increase. Rudolf Clausius coined the term entropy in the 1850s. Lord Kelvin also played a role by defining the absolute temperature scale, clarifying the law's implications. Moving on to the third law of thermodynamics, this law states that as temperature approaches absolute zero, the entropy of a perfect crystal approaches a constant minimum. Walther Nernst proposed this law in the early 20th century. The zeroth law of thermodynamics, which establishes the concept of temperature and thermal equilibrium, was recognized later. Ralph H. Fowler articulated this law in the 1930s, naming it zeroth as it underpins the other laws. Earlier contributions from scientists like Carnot, who analyzed heat engines in 1824, also influenced the development of thermodynamics. Ludwig Boltzmann connected thermodynamics with statistical mechanics, enriching the field further. In summary, the laws of thermodynamics are the result of contributions from several key figures, including Joule, Clausius, Kelvin, Nernst, and Carnot. Their collective work has established the principles that govern energy, heat, and entropy, which are essential to both physics and engineering today.